Dear students, now let us look at some global issues in service industry or services. So the global services are increasing all over the world. आपके पास जो global services का concept है वो increase कर रहा है पूरी दुनिया में. That is like the services are no more like for some geographic position or demographically some specific location, उसके लिए नहीं है. अब वो globally जो है वो अब impact करती हैं. Let's say there is some courier service which is providing the service of sending the parcels or the other things. Primarily इसमें service के साथ एक product भी attach है, but the thing is that parcel or that product should reach to the customer within the specified time. तो global एक effect जो है वो इस तरह services में आ रहा है. And managing them involves a number of issues. और काफ़ी सारे issues हैं जो कि global service के अंदर जो है वो उनको affect करता है global services को. What could that be? First of all, the labor facilities, I would say the trained labor or the skilled labor for that, facilities and infrastructure support. Service industries में जब आप global issues की बात करते हैं तो वहाँ पर the most important factor would be like the infrastructure support. आपके पास infrastructure होना चाहिए so that it could reach the customer in the timely manner. तो वही logistical activity is there, but here your service is actually providing the timely manner of timely delivery of that product. तो वो सबसे ज़्यादा important है. If you do not have the infrastructure, you cannot actually achieve this target. Labor, of course, workforce आपके पास किस तरह की है? They should be trained in that scenario, and the facilities, that means the location design should be there. Legal and political issues, it might be possible in some countries. Law may restrict foreign competitors to actually compete in that market, in that geographical region. वो एक region में हो सकता है कि law आपके जो competitors हैं, which might be like alien to your country, अच्छे terms ना हो अगर country के साथ, तो your competitors may not be the one who would be actually, or you would be prohibited to actually compete with them in that geographical location. Then the domestic competitors and the economic climate, it also affects, because managers must be aware of local competition and the current state of the economy. So economy की जो current state है, what is the state of the economy, as well as the local competition, the manager should be aware of it so that they can provide the service which would have some kind of a competitive advantage. Otherwise, the fierce competition will actually drive them out of the market. So identifying global customers. From the domestic, the challenge would be like to go global. तो जब वो global की तरफ जाते हैं और उसमें customers की जो identification है, identify the target customers, that become actually difficult, क्योंकि geographically distant positions, geographically different positions पर जब मौजूद हैं customers, तो their needs and their requirements that could vary. तो one fit model for all may not work there. तो इसकी वजह से भी global services में जब आपको services provide करनी है तो you need to actually customize those services according to the requirement of the customers. So for that, तो जब आप डोमेस्टिक से मूव कर रहे हैं कस्टमर्स की साइड पे, ग्लोबल कस्टमर्स की साइड पे, तो यू नीड वन फिट फॉर ऑल नहीं वर्क करेगा. यू नीड टू एक्चुअली कस्टमाइज योर सर्विसेज एंड द नीड्स वुड बी डिफरेंट फॉर डिफरेंट रीजन्स. थैंक यू.